Weather Service Storm Prediction Center has issued a severe thunderstorm watch for portions of western and central Pennsylvania. This watch is in effect this Wednesday night and Thursday morning from 6:15 p.m. until 1 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Hail to 1 inch in diameter, thunderstorm wind gusts to 70 miles per hour, and dangerous lightning are possible in these areas. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means conditions are favorable for severe thunderstorms in and close to the watch area. Persons in these areas should be on the lookout for threatening weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Severe thunderstorms can and occasionally do produce tornadoes.
The National Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 91, effective until